Good morning from Dartmoor. Today's video is from two separate walks. One is today by myself, and one is next week with a group. And I decided to put both sets of footage into one video. Today is a fantastic sunny day. Hopefully next week will be the same. So please enjoy the video. Let's go. We're now in the area of Golden Dagger Mines, which is believed to have been named after the discovery of a prehistoric bronze dagger. The first recorded mention of this particular area, or this particular mine, dates back to the 1800s, and it stayed active until 1914. These are the cottages, rose cottages, where people would have stayed. Coming up now to a pub. Yep, there's a pub here at the old Golden Dagger Mines. Sounds busy. Let's go inside, have a pint, shall we? Here we are. Well, actually, unfortunately, it's closed. It's the remains of an old pub here on Dartmoor. Although it wasn't an official pub, it was more of a place where miners who worked in the area would share a drink after a long day's hard work. And these ruins were also known as Dinah's House, named after a lady called Dinah Hext, who lived here with her sons until 1860. This is a buddle, which was used to separate the heavier minerals from the lighter minerals in the mines. This is Susan's cairn circle, an amazing circle with a burial in the centre. Wow, look at this. We've arrived at the medieval village of Challacombe, where there's the remains of 5 buildings and their outbuildings. This first building is a longhouse where people lived in one half and kept their livestock in the other half. This is the gully which would have carried away the toilet waste from the animals. Records show that the settlement has been here since the 13th century, and the buildings remain lived in until 1880. Hello. Great time, isn't it? Hello. My goodness. Oh, get focus there behind. Oh, you've welcome to say hello, have you? Hello. Never come across such friendly sheep before. They were beautiful. Right, time to keep going. Let's go. Coming up now to Grimspound, which is possibly Dartmoor's most well-known settlement because it's quite close to a road for easy access. And look at this for a grand entrance to the settlement. This has to be the best entrance ever. This settlement dates back to late Bronze Age times, so about 3,500 years ago. And there's 24 hut circles, or roundhouses, as they're also known, inside the compound. The people that lived here would have animals and cattle that lived outside the compound, but they would bring them back inside at night to protect them from foxes and bears. Yeah, you heard right, bears on Dartmoor. Not now, but back then. Each of the hut circles would have been built with a low stone wall and possibly a thatched roof in the shape of a wigwam.